JL here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to actually connect eBay to your Shopify. So to do this is pretty simple. So to connect your eBay to your Shopify, it's pretty simple. So you can import products right here manually, but if you want to do it easily, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is actually go to your apps and add apps. And here, all you have to do is add your AutoDS. So here, AutoDS has a free trial if you want to try it out for yourself. So this will connect eBay and actually even Amazon and other retailers to your own Shopify store. So as you can see right here, you can start for free when you're starting for new, but you can import 200 to up to 1,000 products. In their overview right here, as you can see, you will have a full-scale dropshipping automation solution when you go with their starter 500, which I like personally. So here, you want to go to AutoDS. So basically here in AutoDS, you will have a million of winning products at your fingertips. So here you can import it, and then you can even have an instant copy generator. So you don't have to do the writing. It will only do it with AI in just a few minutes. You can even list one product at one click at a time. So here you also have your automated price and stock monitoring. So when the inventory is running low, you don't have to worry. So here you also have your print on demand, where you have blank canvases of t-shirts and other things, and you can print your own logo right there for your brand. So there's also a lot of things right here, like automated fulfillment processes and automated tracking number updates. So basically all you have to do is connect your Shopify right here. You can start for free. All you have to do is do a payment right here and connect your credit or debit card or PayPal, and you'll be able to get started with your integration to connect eBay to your Shopify. And it's just that simple. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.